Vinoj is not there. Okay, good morning and welcome back, guys, again today in class. Today we are on the day number 6 for our class. In the 5 days, we have completed all the theoretical part which we want to understand to kick off our journey in IT. ITIL, ITSM, service, process, practice, value streams, SVS, SVC, ServiceNow tool, ServiceNow company, ServiceNow platform, ServiceNow architecture, ServiceNow backup, data transfer, failover, everything we have done till now. Almost the basics which we require to be kick off to go into the ServiceNow completely, we have done now. And the rest of the things which is be required in ServiceNow or which are the part of our training will be completing via the tool called the ServiceNow here. Okay. One thing which I like about ServiceNow is that ServiceNow give their customer, give their developer a opportunity to use ServiceNow as their personal property, as their personal instance. And on that they can do the R&D, on that they can do the customization, configuration, coding, logic, anything they can do it here. Let me open a notepad here quickly. Okay, so we call that particular thing is called PDI, personal development instance. Okay. Basically, I can say personal development instance. As the name indicate, personal means it is for my use. I am the owner of this particular instance. Now the question comes, sir, what is instance basically? Instance, I can say, let's not put INC, it's become instance. Instance basically a link which you guys or we guys are going to be used to log in into the ServiceNow. Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, Apple.com, abc.x.com. These are the instances, these are the links which you use here. So in IT industry, specifically people from the non-IT background, in IT industry we have mainly 3 to 4 type of in our company. We called as a dev instance, we called as a test instance, we called as a prod instance. That means the link which is used by the development team, specifically for the development purpose only. Nobody else can use this particular stuff. That is called the development instance. I'll tell you that with the examples I will tell you. It is used for the UAT. What is UAT? User acceptance testing. Like take example, Harsha make a cup of tea and she give that tea to her mother and ask, okay, how it is? She said it is okay. Okay, what her mother is doing? She is doing the user acceptance testing. If she say okay, good, it means it is pass. So she will never give tea which is not fully prepared. She will only give a tea which is fully prepared and ask mom to test it. Once it has been done, then when any guest came, then Harsha will prepare a cup of tea for everyone. That is called the production. Production means it is the live instance which anyone can use. Amazon dot which you and I am using is basically the production instance. All right. So this is the thing. Now I'll give you a little more example to understand on the instance. Okay. When we were small kids, we go to school. Okay. And we do some work in the class. What that work called? Classwork, right? In the copy of the notebook we mentioned CW or HW. I did not understand this till the age of, I guess, say 15 or 16, that what is CW and what is SW. So what is CW? That is the classwork. That is a development instance. You do all kind of practice. You do all kind of troubleshooting. You start writing in a good format, in a bad format, all these things. But when you go for your exams or the class test, that is called the test instance. You get a similar sheet. You get a similar format sheet from your class teacher, and she say, okay, write ABCD. You write that part. And when you go for the final exam, this is also the similar. In this also you are getting a similar answer sheet to write down, which is look like similar to the your classwork copy. Like if like in my house, my kid, he's in the UKG now. In the online class, his ma'am told, okay, write A to Z in an English notebook. He opened the English notebook and he started writing. When the class get over, I ask him, okay, write ABCD again. And I give him another copy, but that is again a 4-line one, English notebook. Then when the test happen, their ma'am say, okay, sir, get this printout. The printout also have a 4-line to write the ABCD. So this is the way that we use the instance. We always start working on the dev, then go to test, and then go to prod. How we go, it is a separate thing. We will discuss that in detail in a separate topic. Any doubt, any question till this point? Anyone? Tanvi, Vishwajit, Arun, Dhanashri.
Yeah, Atul. So I have one question. So test here means we are mentioning about the testing, right? The one which is like the manual or something, right? The testing part. There is a separate skill set or something, right? In which the you test the these logics.
See, here we are talking specifically test instance. No testing I'm talking in. I'm not using the testing word here. I'm just saying
Okay.
that when you are working in an IT industry, your customer has these 3 instances: dev, test, and production. Production is one which you are supporting to your customer. Dev is one which has been taken care by the development team, and test is one which has been taken care by the or used by the testing team. Okay, but as we are doing some practice at our end, so ServiceNow give me a PDI, personal development instance. It means on this instance, I can do any kind of R&D. I can learn ServiceNow easily if I have my PDI, and that is the beauty of ServiceNow, which I like most in ServiceNow. Okay.
Right.
Now the question comes, Atul, how we can get this PDI? Okay. I will give you a step-by-step solution for this part. I will share my recorded video as well after this class so that you can take it easily. Okay. So what you can do, you can go and you can go for the development. Okay. Developer.servicenow.com. This one. Okay. Developer.servicenow.com. Open this link. Oh. And here you need to create your account only once. You can use your Gmail ID. That's fine for me. Okay. I'll show you step by step that what will happen. Let it be open. Okay. Okay. Once you open this site, you need to create your account. Okay. You can go here on the sign in because I already have my account. So I will not going to create any account, but you guys can create your account easily. It will ask some information, what role you are playing. So you can put anything here. That's not an issue for this particular stuff. Okay. I click on the sign in because I already have an account. So it will take you on the single page like this. Not sure why my internet is so slow today. Okay, or if you don't have an account, then go to get a ServiceNow account here. Click here. Okay, and then click on the register here. Once you've done that register part, so like you can see first name, last name, email ID, personal email ID, put it personal email ID. Don't use official one, please. Password, confirm password, text, and click on this OK one. Okay, then your account will be created. You will get an email on your mailbox. Click on that, confirm your email ID. Once you've done that part, then again log in into the same site. Developer.servicenow.com. I will give you the recording as well, so there's nothing worrying on that part. Let me log in now. So once you get this account, you will log in here.
Sorry to interrupt, Atul. Should we
Yes.
start create our account now or after this?
After this class, you can do it, Ishwar, easily.
Okay.
Okay. Because why I'm saying you all get your instance, but I will give you my instance for the practice. I'll tell you the why I'm saying this thing. Let me show you the step completely here. Okay, so I put my Gmail ID, click next, and let me. So once your account has been created, go back to this particular screen or the link developer.servicenow.com. Okay, and then this page will be open like this for you. Okay, as I already have a instance, so it is showing me the instance number. But for you, what will be happen? You will get an option here, request an instance. When you click on that, it will open a page for you. It will open a page something like this for you, this one. Okay, so we all are using the cubic one. Okay. Oh, I got the upgrade instance. Very good. So everybody will getting the cubic here. Click on that and you will get an option here called the request instance, because I already have, so it is asking me for the upgrade one. But for you guys, it will show the request instance. It will take 5 to 7 minutes to get your instance. Number 1 point. Second step is that when you get this instance, it will show you like this, something like this, start building. When you click on the start building here, definitely if you want to order something from any of the website, you need to create your account in that particular application or particular website. In ServiceNow, we called that as a user account. Okay, we will discuss in detail that how account can be created, but for the understanding perspective, now going forward, our layman things will be getting down and our ServiceNow term will be getting up. So when I say, okay, Tanvi, create a user, so you should know that what I am asking to do you guys. Okay, so what you can do, if you click, by default it will log in as a system admin here. Okay, what you can do, go here and click on the manage instance password and copy this complete screenshot for your reference. It has, so you will get an instance number like dev something, 5-digit number will be there or 6-digit number can be there. Okay, so like for me, my instance name is dev86271. This is my instance name. This is bind to my ID specifically. Okay, so take a screenshot because the password for this one is little difficult. So either you can send a copy of credential or you can copy like this, keep it with you. Then click on this link and you will be directly getting into this particular place. This is the ServiceNow front end for you guys. When I say you guys, means you are logging into the instance as a ServiceNow admin. See, there are two things. One is called the admin and one is called the system admin. So we guys are the system admin of my instance. It means I can delete anything, I can add anything, I can modify anything, I can write any code in my instance, and to do that part, I have a system admin role. If I give you the example here, let's take example here. In your home, you are the system admin. We are not kids now. We are enough mature. If father and mother thinking to go for some renovation in the house, they take my inputs, they consider my decision. If I say no, it is not required, they will say okay, it's not required. Why? Because I am the equally admin in my house as well. So system admin is the topmost role available in service. Now if you have this role in your official instances, then you can make any mess as well. And that is the reason a lot of people, a lot of company don't give the admin rights to everyone. They give the admin rights to the limited people. Okay, so this is my instance which I am able to show you here. So you can see here. Okay, let me up here. Another point which need to be understand for you guys. If you will not log in into your instance every day, then ServiceNow take it back. So you can see here, instance with no activity. No activity means at least you should log in and create some table, create some form, create some field. Otherwise, they will take it back from you. That was, you are wasting my resource. I'm taking back it from you. Okay, so this is very important point. So nothing to be worried. Now they have give a lot of new options as well. If they claim it back, you can still take it back. Not easily, but you can take it back. Okay, so this is important point that you have to be do that that thing. When I say that, because why I'm saying that you should take your instance, because there are few activities which you guys need to do in your instance only, not on my instance. Okay, the reason I'll tell you when we start discussing on that front. Okay, second point is that everybody should get their personal instance today itself. Okay, but we will do the practice in my instance only. In my instance. Why? Because from the in the next coming days, I will give you the exercise. And if you guys are facing some issue, you can tell me, Atul, I'm facing this issue, and I can log in into my instance at any point of time. Other reason is that if you do the practice in your instance, then you have to give me the admin rights, or you have to be create my account in that. So multiple instances need to be managed. So better we will use one instance, that is my instance, and we will create everyone user in my instance. Equal rights I will give, which the rights which I have, I will give it to you. Okay, so that is the another point. Any doubt, any question till this point you guys have? Anyone?
No, sir.
Nikhil, Prashant, Ashwini, Aishwarya, Harsha. One more thing important. In the instance, I have functionality available to see how many times you are logging into my instance. Okay. So if I give you any homework and you're not doing, I will come to know without asking you as well. I can check here. Users. Yeah. Okay. Let not go in that part. That is I'm keeping it for myself only. Okay. Now let me do one thing. Let me log out from here. And I will log in with my actual ID, which I'm using, which I will use for the training purpose. So this is the user which I created here. Okay, let me ping this link to you guys. What I will do now, and I give the homework as well. Okay. Before I say, okay, this is your instance, you can start working. So I have a lot of experienced people here, right? Okay. Do one thing. Let me create a. Nikhil, are you free today, or you have some function at your home?
No, till it's done.
Sorry.
It is done, Atul.
Okay. Okay. Good. So what I'm doing now, guys, note this step by step, and I am giving the homework for everyone. User admin. Okay, and click on the user. I am creating one account for Nikhil. How I am creating, I will tell you here. And I will assign then who will create the next account for everyone. Click on the new. Nikhil, you can note down this point because you have to create the another account. Nikhil.
Okay.
Okay. Nikhil, your password is small admin, ADMIN. Okay. I'm not changing anything here. Nothing, I'm changing it now. And I click on the save here. I know you will be surprised, sir, kuch bata to do. Tell us about the tool. I'll tell you, but before that, I want to give you the time for the save. So Nikhil account has been created. Now what to do? Nikhil, go here. Go to the roles. It is for everyone, guys. Click on edit. And give them a role. What is role? What is user versus group? I will discuss. But before that, I want to give today's time to you guys to do this part, to do some R&D in the tool. Let it be load. Yeah, okay. It's taking time for loading.
So does it mean that it is accessing from the little par server or how exactly?
Sorry, which server?
I mean, so I mean, whenever it takes some time, right, to can we assume that it might be taking time to recall the from different server?
No. Maybe it is my network issue only.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will not take this much time.
Okay.
Let me go back. Role. Generally, if it is taking time, it will the calculation will become on the top. Yeah, now you can see it is with us. So Nikhil, I'm giving you the admin rights here. Okay. Click and on this and save. Now what to do here? Nikhil, login into my instance. User ID is Nikhil only, small. Password is admin, small. Okay. Now what I want. Nikhil will create the account for Prashant. Guys, can someone quickly write this point? Nikhil hyphen Prashant, write this. Prashant will create an account for Dhanashri. Dhanashri will create an account for Ashwani. Ashwani will create an account for Harsha. Harsha will create an account for Arun. Arun will create an account for Ishwar. Ishwar will create an account for Aishwarya. Aishwarya will create an account for Tanvi. Tanvi will create an account for Vishwajit. And Vishwajit will create an account for the Vinuj. It is a sequence I am giving to you. Nikhil to Prashant, Prashant to Dhanashri, Dhanashri to remember your word, guys, because you can chase up the other person that please create my account so that I can create the other account. Nikhil to Prashant, Prashant to Dhanashri, Dhanashri to Ashwani, Ashwani to Harsha, Harsha to Arun, Arun to Ishwar, Ishwar to Aishwarya, Aishwarya to Tanvi, Tanvi to Vishwajit, and Vishwajit to the Vinuj. Okay, if you guys don't know the last name of any other person, leave it just as a initial only. Maybe Vishwajit, Vishwajit, you can put it like this only. Nikhil, done?
Uh, I have a question.
Yes.
I have to log into your instance, the PDI instance. So I will need your ID or password, or I'll have to create my.
I created your ID. You can see on the screen. Nikhil, I created for you. Nikhil is the user ID and the
Okay.
password is
Now
small
तो I can
admin.
log. ठीक है
Okay.
ठीक है तो हाँ अभी तो मैं कर लूँगा हाँ ठीक है ठीक
Do it quickly for one person, for Prashant.
हाँ मैं
And and everyone password should be small admin, ADMIN. Okay. In the next 1 hour, you can complete this activity. Okay. So everybody know that to whom they have to reach out for the user ID. Ashwini, Tanvi, Vishwajit, Ishwar, Arun.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Good. So in the meantime, Nikhil is doing that part. Now what you have to do when you get an access? Maybe I can give this homework to someone. Aishwarya, please take a note of this question. Number 1, you guys need to take your own PDI. Homework number 2, create a user account for the other person as we discussed. Okay. Number 3rd homework, what you have to do. Okay. I am giving you one option here. This button. It is called the gear icon. We call this in the service now, we call this as a gear icon. Click on this and try to follow this thing. Change values, yes, no, this value, and see how your instance is behaving with you. This particular setting is called the personalized view, personalized setting. Why personalized? Because suppose Ishwar says, Atul, I'm very old now. I'm in reaching the 40 plus now. I don't like the light colors. I need some vibrant dark colors. So he want to make this change. But on the opposite side, we have girls as well. Harsha say, sir, I'm just entering into the IT. I need the light colors. So Harsha want or Tanvi want some different colors on the top. This is called the personalized. If Ishwar change something in their view, it will not going to impact anyone else. Okay, so what is the next homework? Check this personalized setting. We have a 6, 7, this one. You can check the journal, you can check the theme, you can check the accessibility as well. You can check the list as well. You can check the form as well. And these 2 you can leave it. As of now, not required. These 5 you need to be checked. And what you have to be do? This is a form now. Go and try the things here only. Try this thing. Okay. Second point. Sorry, this is the 3rd homework. Aishwarya, I'm sure that you are noting down these things at your end. Another homework. What you have to do? Click on this thing. Toggle connect sidebar. Click on plus. Let me put Nikhil here. Nikhil Bansal and ping your user via this chat and try and ping on the WhatsApp that, hey, I ping you, can you ping me back? Let's see, is this functionality is working for you or not? Okay, don't worry, I will give you the very deep dive of all these components, that what is the purpose of this. See, okay, he did not respond. Nikhil, can you respond back to my chat?
एक सेकंड में चेक करता हूँ मैं वो कर रहा था
Till this point, any doubt, any question? Yes, sir.
I mean, we are no question, but just try to understanding from my side. So it means from by these two, homework or these two, I mean, options, right? A gear and the other one, right? So we are just trying to play with the designing part, getting comfortable ourselves with the tool, and then like making our own
No,
choices, right?
no designing part, only navigation, nothing
Okay,
designing,
okay.
only navigation you are doing.
Yeah,
Tomorrow,
like
yes,
let's say I know I like the blue color, for example, right? So I can take up the blue color. I mean, changing those
right.
colors, right? So like
So,
making
so
comfort ourselves.
yes, so I
Yeah.
am giving you the tool to do some kind of a navigation, that how this tool work.
Right,
See,
right. Yeah, yeah.
Nikhil
Just now
pinged
we
me
saw.
here.
Yeah. Cool, cool.
Okay, right. Good morning. Right. Thanks, Nikhil. And what you can do when you get the login ID, click on this name and go to profile. And now you can add your other information. You can add your email ID. You can add your date format. You can add your time zone. You can add your phone numbers as well. This thing you can do at your end once you log in into the system. Okay. So tomorrow when we start our discussion, you should be comfortable. Yes, Atul, I know कि कहाँ पे क्या है, what these things mean. Go here, expand this. Go here and start typing user role incident. Someone asked the question that Atul, how the ITIL and the service now work hand in hand. So this is the examples here, guys. So in ITIL we have a incident management practice. In ServiceNow we have a incident management module. You can see here like this way. Only one request to everyone: do not delete anything from my system, from my instance. Don't delete anything. Rest you can do anything here. I have no botheration on that part. Okay, so you guys need to do some traversing here. Another homework. It is just only 1 hour work, nothing much. You guys need to tell me or need to be study something, that what is the purpose of these icons here, what it do in short. This one, what is the purpose of this one? Okay, let me give
Search
one. Yes.
search for that, and this is recent used.
Wait. I'm coming to that point. Prashant, this is for the searching perspective. I am 100% agree. Now I give you one more homework, and this question has been asked in interview to me by some other person. Which mechanism? If you know the answer, please keep quiet for the time being. We can discuss tomorrow. If you don't know the answer, then you have to be identified. Which technique, which mechanism, which method, which methodology, which algorithm ServiceNow use in this search option? There is a specific term, there is a specific algorithm has been designed. There is some specific mechanism is there in the background to make this search as a global search. You can see it is a global search. But which mechanism it use? It is 4-letter words only. You guys need to be identified. Search on the Google which technique it is. Okay, this is the another homework for you guys. Okay, Nikhil, is it done now?
I have done it, but I have applied after giving that condition that role is admin, but it is
Mhm.
still it's not showing after I save it.
But where you give the condition?
Under the
Wait,
roles after
wait.
creating his user
You're
ID.
getting for Prashant, right?
After creating his user, I firstly
Wait,
it was
wait.
showing user role
Okay,
equals to user.
Prashant Patil is there. Okay, this fine. Hope you set the password as well. Rule. You click here, right?
हाँ
Edit.
एडमिन कर दिया था उनको।
कहाँ दिया था admin? Where you put the admin?
पासवर्ड में ना, अभी आप एडिट ऐड फिल्टर करना है इसमें, मेरे एंड से नहीं हुआ ये।
It means you did not reach to this particular step.
मे बी मैं फोन से कर रहा हूँ इस वजह से, बट मैं यूजर तो रोल दे
Why,
चुका था।
why, why, why you are using phone?
तो मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से ट्रेनिंग ज्वाइन की अभी।
Right. Okay, that's fine. But tomorrow onwards, nobody will join from phone. Everyone should be on the laptop only. Let me do. So you give the password as an admin, right?
मैं रोल
Now,
भी दे रहा था ऑप्शन, बट वो एडिट
yes.
हुआ नहीं आई थिंक।
In phone it will take little time. Okay, one more thing. Try to access this link over the mobile phone as well. Google Chrome and type this. You will able to log in into the service now. That is the another beauty of service now, that it don't require any VPN, any kind of what I can say, connection, remote server connection don't require. You can access this from anywhere. Chrome browser, we have an application as well for this. Try to find out that application. Another homework for you guys. So Prashant, your ID has been created. Now you log in and create a ID for Dhanashri. Okay. So guys, remember that who is the one going to be create your ID, and make sure everybody should have their own ID. If you're not having your ID, please reach out to the person who is responsible to creating your ID. Ping on the WhatsApp and say, boss, please create my ID quickly, so that you can access into the system.
Okay, Atul, I'm adding the password as admin, so it's showing a notification like change. Chrome found the password that you just
That's
used
fine.
in a day.
That is Chrome policy. Chrome policy. Don't bother about the same. There is a system settings we have done, not ServiceNow setting. There is a system. Your browser setting is there. Okay. Okay, guys, all clear? Any doubt? Any question till this point?
Sir, how to open your instance?
There is a link, Dhanashri. Put this link into your browser. Let me copy and paste it again. I already put it in the chat window. Just click on this link. It will take you on this page. On this page, it will be there. Here. Okay. And now you can log in with your ID and you can create the next person ID.
Okay.
Okay. All clear, guys? Any doubt? Any question? Because maybe I'm not able to reply back to you for the next 2 to 3 hours. I will be driving that time. So if you have any question regarding this, you can ask me now.
So for the homework point of view, you asked us to create the users and do the personalized settings and
Right.
which technique are used or algorithm used to in global search.
Right.
And now platform.
And take your own personal instance as well.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Create personal instance.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So Ishwar, what policy we follow here, that every day I give a responsibility to one of the guy who note down
Okay.
all the question and put into the WhatsApp group and in the Skype as well after the class will be over. So
Okay.
today,
And
yes.
about homework, I saw some, WhatsApp chat. So are we want to share our homework, whatever we done
No.
as a practice
No,
to share on.
That's not required. That I can check anytime in the instance. I log in, I can check that how many people are done that part. That is this WhatsApp group basically just to.
Sorry, we lost you.
Yeah, no sound.
We lost him actually.
Nikhil?